Regular car AC service can help maintain the performance and efficiency of the AC system. AC service typically includes checking the refrigerant level, cleaning the AC system components, and checking for leaks. The recommended interval for car AC service is typically every 2 years or 24,000 miles. A lack of refrigerant is a common reason for AC problems, so checking and adding refrigerant is an important part of AC service. AC service can help prevent expensive repairs down the line by catching potential issues early. AC service can also help improve air quality in the car by removing bacteria, mold, and other allergens that can accumulate in the AC system. It is important to choose a qualified and experienced mechanic for car AC service to ensure the job is done correctly and safely. Car AC service costs can vary depending on the extent of the service required, but it is generally less expensive than major AC repairs or replacement. It is important to note that some car manufacturers recommend specific AC service intervals or procedures for their vehicles, so it is important to consult the owner's manual or dealership for guidance. In addition to regular AC service, there are also steps that car owners can take to help maintain their AC system, such as parking in the shade and cleaning debris from the AC vents and condenser.